Hello, this is Hiro from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 30 of beginner course. In the previous lesson, we learned the seamless method of finishing the thread ends. And today, we will cover another finishing technique, the burning method. Unlike the seamless method, this technique can be used even on thinner leather. The process is simple. By melting the thread with heat, it creates small bead at the end of the thread, preventing thread from pulling out of the stitch hole. This method only works with nylon or polyester thread like Vinymo, tiger thread. If you're using linen thread, I recommend using a seamless finishing technique from the previous lesson. Let's dive in! First, let's prepare the stitching. Let's sort to the final hole using the saddle stitch. Once you reach to the final hole, let's backstitch 2 to 3 stitches. If you are new to backstitch, I included links to day 28 of the beginner course where I explain about the backstitch, so please check it. Now, you're ready to finish the thread. Let's start finishing the thread ends. First, let's pass the front thread into the left side hole. It is important to avoid a needle doesn't pierce any existing threads in stitch holes. And lay the thread loop down toward the edge of the leather piece, and pull the thread tight so the thread aligns parallel to the saddle stitch thread. Then flip the leather over and trim both thread ends. Let's leave thread about 1/4 inches or 5 mm from the stitch hole. Now it's time to melt the thread ends using the lighter. But there's 2 tips to keep in mind. The first tip is to align the thread vertically to the leather piece. If the thread doesn't align vertically to the leather piece, it's not going to look a clean finish. So before burning the thread, please make sure the thread aligns vertically to the leather piece. The second tip is to use the blue part of the flame to melt the thread. If you use the red part of the flame, it can also burn the leather piece. The thing you want to burn is only thread, not leather piece. So please make sure to use the blue part of the flame to melt the thread. Now, let's try burning thread. Use the blue part of the flame to burn the thread. Once the thread forms a small melted bead, press it with the side of the lighter for 4 seconds to flatten it. Slide the lighter away to finish it. That's how to finishing the thread ends with burning method. These 2 small beads will prevent the thread from pulling out. That's all for today. How was it? This burning method is faster than seamless finishing technique, but it is easy to see where you made a finish end. So it is perfect for stitches that want to be visible on back side or when working with thinner leather. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give me a like and subscribe for more Leathercraft tips. See you in the next video. Bye.